front of me is OPPO K10x, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons. I'm changing icon size on every device I'm testing before recording to make them more visible for all of you watching. If you want to do it on this OPPO, it's really easy, but you need to start by pinching your device's display, like that. Now, when you see all of those options appear at the bottom, hit icons between wallpaper and widgets. Now you can operate this slider under icon to adjust them and check out preview at the top. To save your changes, make sure to hit apply and wait. So when I do that, I can see that size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!